Me versus my ADHD brain. Today, I am definitely going to finish my studies.
But first, let's relax a bit. Open Instagram.
Just 5 minutes.
Exactly. But 5 minutes can turn into 2 hours, right?
Oh no, I wasted time. Now I'll really focus.
Sure, but remember the ending of that series yesterday?
Can't recall, but I should finish this work first.
Work can wait. Let's Google it first.
Oh God, time is running out.
Relax, there is still the whole night. You can finish it tomorrow too.
Alright, no more breaks.
Sure, but your stomach's growling. Let's grab a snack?
This is the last break, I promise.
I didn't hear that. The last break is just the break before the next break.
Why do I keep doing this again and again?
Because your brain wiring is different. This is ADHD, it's not your fault.
These kinds of inner dialogues are very common in ADHD. With good habits and a little support, you can manage it. Here are some ADHD management tips for you. Set small goals, use reminders, plan breaks, ask for help, and don't be hard on yourself.
Alright brain, we are a team.
Deal, let's do this.
Overcoming ADHD is not a battle, a teamwork.
Please like, share, and subscribe. SciAxis.